Hi, I'm Phyllis. My website is southernfrugal.com. Today we're going to try to fix the main meal of the day in this double boiler steamer that Mr. Bucky got me for Christmas. I'm very excited about it. So the first thing I've done is I've got some chicken stock. Now this is some that comes from when I fix the dogs, the chicken thighs, and I do it in the Instant Pot, and I reserve the stock and take off all the fat and just freeze it. So we're going to go ahead and dump the rice in. Now this is the jasmine rice, and I do rinse that before I cook it because it has a lot of that white powdery stuff that comes from the rice. So we've got that on. I'm going to get it up to a boil and then cut it down to just simmer. Not putting any salt or anything in it, and there's no salt in the chicken stock either. In fact, I had some left here in the bag. I had frozen this around the 1st of, or the middle of December. Yeah, when I fix their chicken in the Instant Pot, I can get a lot of the chicken broth now, or chicken stock. And again, this doesn't have anything else in it, so this rice is going to take about 20 minutes to cook. And I've already got my burner turned down. And now, what I'm going to do is add in my steamer. This is a steamer that goes with the pot. See the little holes in the bottom? I'm going to put that in, like that, and steam that. This is baby spinach, a couple of big handfuls, and I'm going to put this little pot on top, the top part of the double boiler. I'm going to put a little olive oil in the bottom of that just so nothing sticks. Let me get something to wipe that around. I'll use this. This was another gift for Christmas. Wipe that around a little bit. And I'm going to put the chicken in. Now, when I fix the dog's chicken, I also fix chicken for us. I just get 2 packs. They've usually got 10 or 12 pieces of chicken, and I just cook it all in the oven at the same time and then freeze the chicken thighs for us that have got barbecue on them, barbecue sauce. I raise up the little skin and put the barbecue sauce under it and some on it. They cook in about an hour. So I'm going to put those in. I've thawed them out in the microwave, but I want to make sure they're good and warm. And the other thing I'm going to do, these are some little cinnamon biscuits that I made the other day just because I had some leftover dough when I was making biscuits. So I'm going to put those in too and just warm those up. They're almost like little cookies to go with the barbecued chicken. All right, we're going to find out if this works, y'all. So I've got the rice down below. Let me just look at it. It's barely boiling on a simmer. Now I've got the spinach in here to steam it, because the spinach only has to steam for a little while before it's ready. And so what I'm going to do after the rice is done, I'm going to add some of the chickpeas to it, or garbanzo beans, and these are some that I had frozen. I went ahead and drained them and thawed them out and drained them, and we're going to put that in with the rice and add a couple of other things. All right, y'all, this is going to be a very quick video, and so we're going to see how all this works. We'll be back. All right, y'all, it's been about 15 minutes now, maybe a little longer, so we want to check on our spinach. There it is. Let me move y'all closer. Yeah, that spinach. Now remember, this is baby spinach, so what I'm going to do, that rice looks like it's almost done. I'm going to mix the spinach in with the rice. think you could do the same thing with broccoli. Mix this in, and we're going to go ahead and mix in our chickpeas, which of course are already done. And I did drain those. Yeah, I was afraid that the spinach might make the rice green, you know, maybe it dripping down below, but it did not. So that was really good. All right, so now, scrape some of that rice off that spatula. All right, so I've still got my burner on. What I want to do now is put some Parmesan cheese. Now remember, I haven't put any salt in this. So we're going to use some of the, well, actually we're going to use a whole bunch of Parmesan cheese in this. Let me mix that up just a little bit more. Yeah, that rice is definitely done. That looks right pretty, if I must say so myself. All right, so we're just going to do a whole bunch of the Parmesan cheese. Turn that pot around a little bit. And my chicken and my little biscuits are warm. They're not like super hot, but they're definitely warm. Mixed up a little bit. We're going to see how this tastes. All right, y'all, I'm going to taste of this before we even get it on the plate, just to make sure if it needs any more salt. Well, I hadn't put any salt in it, but see the Parmesan cheese being very salty, to see if it does actually need more salt. This is absolutely super delicious. Just super delicious. I'm going to actually put even more Parmesan cheese in this. Mix it around a little bit. Just use this to scrape it off the spoon. All right, y'all, we're going to do more Parmesan cheese. That is so, so good. I love Parmesan cheese with spinach anyway, so spread that out a little bit and leave it on top. It definitely does not need any more salt. Oh, y'all couldn't see. All right, so I'm going to put the little biscuits and the chicken. They're warm, but they're not like real hot. So I'm going to put them back on there for a little while without the steamer there, but I can see this would work for many, many meals. All right, y'all, let me get our tea fixed and we're going to be ready to eat. All right, we are ready to have our meal. There's the rice and chickpeas and baby spinach, and it all cooked great. There's the chicken and the little cinnamon biscuits. They're almost like a little cookie. And I fixed us some of the frozen strawberries. I actually rolled them in powdered sugar and then just poured some of the whipping cream over them without actually whipping it. All right, and I put the extra Parmesan cheese on, of course. So we are super ready to eat in this little double boiler thing with the cooking the spinach. Now you could probably cook all kinds of stuff like zucchini and yellow squash. You could cook broccoli, all kinds of things that steam pretty fast would work great in there. Yeah, all right. I really super like the spinach, that baby spinach, to do with the Parmesan cheese. And you don't need any extra salt if you put that much cheese on the mixture. All right, y'all, we will see y'all next time. We are very hungry today. It's right at 3 o'clock. Bye for now.